In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create store policies. Shopify Help Center. Clear, accessible policies help set expectations, build trust, and in many regions are required to comply with privacy and consumer protection laws. I'll walk you through the privacy policy setup from inside your Shopify admin and share a few tips to make the process smooth and accurate for your business. First, open your Shopify admin on desktop. From the main dashboard, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is the control room for your store's core configuration. Inside Settings, locate the section where your store's legal documents live. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled Policies or Legal. Either way, this area houses your privacy policy, terms of service, refund policy, and shipping policy. Enter that section so we can work directly in the editor. Next, select the privacy policy entry to open the policy editor. You'll see a large text field where you can add or edit your content. If you already have a policy drafted by your legal advisor, paste it here and format it. If you're reviewing a pre-filled draft, read it line by line and replace placeholders with accurate details about your data practices, third-party tools, and contact methods. If you accidentally opened an unwanted draft, or you triggered a change you don't want to keep, use Cancel to back out without saving. Then, click into the highlighted editor area again to continue safely. Take a moment to ensure your policy clearly explains what data you collect, why you collect it, how it's stored, and how customers can request access or deletion where applicable. Avoid copying language you don't understand. Your policy should reflect your actual operations. Return to the Privacy Policy section once more to double-check formatting, headings, and links. Make any final edits by clicking back into the highlighted content field. Consistency matters. If you reference email or postal contact, make sure those details match what appears elsewhere on your site. When everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner. Saving publishes your latest version to the policy page connected to your storefront. After this, you can add a link to your policy in your store footer or checkout footer through your navigation settings so customers can find it easily. That's the complete process for creating and saving your privacy policy from the Shopify admin. Remember, this is not legal advice. Regulations vary by location and industry, so consult a qualified professional to confirm compliance. Once your privacy policy is set, repeat the same approach for your other store policies to keep your storefront consistent and trustworthy.